This is my valve clamp, the first real piece of my smart water valve project. In order to design it, I had to learn FreeCAD, which was definitely a challenge at first, but actually pretty fun as I got into it. I decided I needed to go buy a valve so I can have some actual measurements. At first I went to the hardware store and grabbed the first valve I thought would work. The problem with this first valve was that there wasn't any room for a clamp on it. So I went back and grabbed one that was identical but just a little bit longer with more room to work with. As soon as I got some measurements, I modeled a C-shaped clamp that flexes open just enough to slide over the threads and lock into place. I started with PLA and my first print failed 90% of the way through for no reason. So I decided to switch to PETG and it snapped instantly. So I beefed up the sides, printed again, and it snapped again. I ended up with a whole pile of broken clamps. Finally, I tried PLA Plus and it worked perfectly. It flexes just enough to pop over the valve without breaking. Now I've got to start working on the motor mount and how to model that so it lines up perfectly.